Barbecuing. Who doesn't like it? Enjoying the warm and sunny outdoor life with family and friends. But after a great day of cooking and grilling, nobody likes the job of cleaning that dirty, sticky grill. What's even worse? No matter how quick you get to the job, it never gets as clean as it should be, even providing room for bacteria to grow on it. And don't forget about the spattering brushes, always at risk of getting those messy stains on your shirt while your friends are still having a good time. Oh man, isn't there a simple solution that takes care of this? Sure there is. BBQ Clean Bag instantly handles the entire cleaning process. How does it work? Easy. Just put the grill in the BBQ Clean Bag, together with the contents of the pouch, add water and close the bag. Wait for 45 minutes, wipe it dry with an old newspaper, and that's all. Job well done. The BBQ Clean Bag saves time and is user and environmentally friendly, and you can use it over and over again. BBQ Clean Bag. Grill cleaning the easy way.